My desk faces the wall. Front door opens to a large living room, showing glass balcony doors, everything pushed against the wall, really. My desk faces the wall. Okay. The front door opens to a large... So, front door opening to a large living room is A-okay. That's nice. Showing glass balconies door. Okay, so I think you're saying your front door is aligned with the back balcony doors. It is often said that you don't want a door aligned with another door. And so I know what you're getting at with that. What you can do in those cases, everything has a caveat with Feng Shui, which is why, like, on one hand, there's so many YouTube videos I need to make, and then there's days where I'm like, but what do people want? What are their questions? I don't know what else to talk about. This is good question. So if there's a certain amount of distance, if it's really far away from each other, then that distance sort of solves the problem. But what you can do if you have like an atrium space, if it's really far and you have an atrium space, you can add in a round table. And I guess I'm speaking to everybody who has a similar issue to this. Depending on the proportions of your space, if you have a round atrium table, you can put a nice round table, because then the water will flow around. Water, as in pretend it's energy, will flow around. So if you envision energy being poured in your front door, it will go around the table. That round table sends the energy in all directions rather than shooting straight to your back door. If you don't have enough room for the table, you can also add in a round rug. Rugs redirect energy. Plants redirect energy. Really, if you can position anything to kind of redirect energy so that it's just not this clear line of sight from the front to the back, and it can be as simple as a rug.